Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new episode of your favorite show, Planet Bollywood, your one-stop shop for all the latest, most updated news from the world of Bollywood and social media. My name is Manish and I'm here with all the news that you need to keep updated with about your favorite stars. But before I continue today's show, I do want to remind you guys to check out our Zoom Facebook page for minute-by-minute updates about your favorite celebrities. On that note, here are our top stories. Deepika Padukone reveals that negative comments after Om Shanti Om were heartbreaking. Kareena enjoying the festive season as she wraps up work assignments before the new year. Akshay shares a special post for wife Twinkle on her birthday. Did Katrina borrow rumored boyfriend Vicky Kaushal's hoodie? Sara Ali Khan has this piece of advice to give her brother Ibrahim before he begins his Bollywood career. Deepika Padukone may be a superstar today, but the actor faced very hurtful comments after her debut. दीपिका ने रिवील किया है कि उनके एक्सेंट, एक्टिंग स्किल्स और मॉडलिंग बैकग्राउंड को लेकर कई तरह के कमेंट्स किए गए जिनसे उन्हें बहुत तकलीफ पहुंची. Deepika Padukone had a dream debut in Bollywood opposite superstar Shah Rukh Khan in Om Shanti Om. And after several ups and downs, including a rather nasty and public breakup, her career saw a huge turning point when she played Veronica in the film Cocktail. Deepika has since then never looked back and is now one of the highest paid actors in the business and is also producing films, by the way. But how was it to enter the industry with absolutely no family connections or lineage at just 19? Take a look. Deepika Padukone was a successful model when she was chosen to play the character of a yesteryear's actor Shanti Priya in the reincarnation drama Om Shanti Om. दीपिका को अपने डेब्यू फिल्म में ही शाहरुख खान के साथ एक्ट करने का मौका मिला, but while it was a dream debut, the reactions and comments she received were far from kind. Deepika has shared in an interview, "I was extremely raw and unaware, but Shahrukh Khan and Farah Khan held my hand and guided me throughout the entire process." Deepika, who played two roles, Shanti Priya and a modern-day look-alike Sandy, managed to make an impression on audiences with her dazzling beauty and smile. Lekin her acting chops were still in need of work. Unfortunately, constructive criticism की जगह उन्हें nasty comments का सामना करना पड़ा, and she recalls that as a young 21-year-old, it was very difficult to hear such mean things about yourself. There was also a section of people who scathingly criticized my work. Oh, she is a model. She cannot act. My accent was made fun of. A lot was said and written about me and my craft, and the truth is, all of it was extremely hurtful. But the star is a fighter, and she took all the positive and negative feedback as a way of honing her skills and tried to get better with each film. दीपिका का कहना है कि क्रिटिसिज्म उन्हें और मेहनत करने के लिए इंस्पायर करती है and failure has been crucial in teaching her important lessons in life. She also adds in her interview that her background in sports and the values her parents gave her also helped her stay strong in those initial years of struggle. Deepika has resumed work on Shakun Batra's next film and is also looking forward to working with Prabhas in an untitled movie and also has reportedly signed Pathaan opposite Shah Rukh Khan. The actor is also awaiting the release of 83, which was to come in April this year but has been indefinitely delayed because of the pandemic and lockdown restrictions. Well, you are undoubtedly an inspiring star, Deepika, and we are eager to see you on screen again after almost a year away from the limelight. Kareena Kapoor Khan is all set to pop. Not the baby, but some bubbly as she gets ready to celebrate a brand new beginning around the corner with her favorite team who have been by her side for many years. Bebo is all set to become mama for the second time early next year, but the hardworking actor has been busy with work and family commitments all through her second pregnancy. After spending many months in lockdown, Bebo made the brave decision of completing her scenes on Lal Singh Chaddha, though she was pregnant during the time of the pandemic, and has been busy filming for ad films and her chat show, which she is conducting virtually this season. Bebo has truly set a tremendous example with her hard work and professionalism, and we can't wait to see her on screen again. Take a look. Bebo has been in a celebratory mood as she enjoys the festive season with her family and friends. The actor, who took a long break for Diwali to enjoy a baby moon in the hills with Saif and Taimur, was spotted shooting for her chat show as soon as she returned. The actor seems to have taken a break for Christmas and New Year's and has been having separate parties with her close friends, the Kapoor family, and now her entire team who have worked with her for a long time. Kareena, who has been sharing pictures from her various celebrations, took to social media to share a picture of herself with her hair and makeup artists, her manager and stylist. Seen in the picture is celebrity makeup artist and now fashion designer and Kareena's longtime manager, Poonam. Kareena, who looks stunning in a bright pink dress that highlighted her baby bump, added an interesting caption to the story and wrote, "Waiting to pop. Guys, with my lovelies, so happy to be with you all." Kareena has been one busy mama even through her second pregnancy that she and Saif announced in August. In spite of the risks of working during a pandemic, Kareena has taken all the necessary precautions and made sure to complete all her work-related commitments before she begins her maternity break. The actor, who can look equally fashionable in a pair of jeans and a t-shirt or high-end couture, has been setting trends with her maternity fashion choices the second time around as well. Kareena has been sporting lots of chic kaftans and maxis as she travels around the city balancing work and spending time with her family, especially elder son Taimur. The actor was spotted recently in a loose blue outfit with pants that she paired with her now signature bright pink flip-flops. The actor, who was leaving from an ad shoot, made sure to stop and smile for her friends in the press who love what a good sport she is when it comes to greeting the paparazzi. Kareena is truly one of a kind when it comes to her acting, marriage or motherhood. And we love how she is breaking glass ceilings in Bollywood one step at a time. अक्षय कुमार भले ही ऑन स्क्रीन खिलाड़ी हो, लेकिन ऑफ स्क्रीन वो एक बहुत ही लविंग पति और पापा है who dotes on his wife Twinkle Khanna and adores his kids Arav and Nitara. Akshay Kumar and Twinkle Khanna are one of Bollywood's power couples. Now, the good-looking pair who married almost 20 years ago have 2 kids, a gorgeous home, and an enviable, compatible relationship where they allow each other the space to flourish and grow. Here's wishing Mrs. Khiladi a very happy birthday. Now, this day is also special because it's the birth anniversary of Twinkle's father, Rajesh Khanna, who was one of India's first superstars. A special day indeed for the entire Kumar Kapadia family. The OG Khiladi took to social media to wish his beloved BV Twinkle on her birthday and thanked her for being with him through a difficult year and all the ups and downs that came with it. Akshay, who started off as an outsider in Bollywood, has now become one of its most powerful figures, while Twinkle, whose parents Rajesh Khanna and Dimple Kapadia were both actors, quit Bollywood to become a noted columnist and author. She is also a proud feminist who often makes some thought-provoking and rib-tickling comments against age-old traditions that she believes we should leave behind.
These are a few of my favorite things. I don't think she really likes my singing.
Akshay and Twinkle met on the sets of a film and fell in love. Thankfully for Akshay, Twinkle's film Mela flopped and she decided to marry him and made a choice to quit Bollywood because she wasn't enjoying acting anymore.
She said, you work so hard and you're such a strong man. I know you'll protect me for the rest of my life, so I started a little bit emotional about it. Oh. So, that's it.
Twinkle now runs an interior business, writes books and columns, and is also a partner in Akshay's production house. The couple who spent the lockdown together at their beautiful home in Mumbai are now back to work, with Twinkle even accompanying Akshay to his shoot in Scotland where he filmed for Bell Bottom. Akshay, the ever-devoted husband, made sure to share a special social media post wishing his wife a very happy birthday and thanked her for being his better half through thick and thin. Akshay shared a picture of himself and Twinkle cycling and wrote an adorable caption where he said, "Here's to another year of questionable life decisions, but I'm so glad I get to make all of them with you. Happy birthday, Tina." Today is also special because it's not just Twinkle's birthday but also the birth of her late father Rajesh Khanna, who was one of Bollywood's biggest stars in the 60s and 70s. Akshay is currently in between projects as he wraps up his scenes for Atrangi Re and prepares for a marathon month-long schedule in Jaisalmer starting 6th of January for Bachchan Pandey. We are sure he's spending time with his family to bring in the new year before he begins a very busy 2021, shooting back-to-back for the films Bachchan Pandey, Ram Setu, Prithvi Raj and Raksha Bandhan. लोग प्रेम पत्र लिखते हैं, विकी और कटरीना हुडीज पहनकर अपने प्यार का इजहार कर रहे हैं. Katrina was spotted in the city wearing a quirky-looking blue hoodie as she enjoyed the great weather, but turns out she may have just borrowed the warm clothing from her beau, Vicky Kaushal.
Vicat or Victrina? Well, we honestly don't quite know what their couple name is yet, but it looks like Vicky and Katrina are finding it increasingly difficult to hide the fact that they are the latest lovebirds in town. From Vicky being spotted outside Katrina's home to the couple wearing or sharing one-of-a-kind hoodies, it looks like romance is definitely in the air. Take a look.
Katrina Mumbai में चल रही ठंडी हवाओं का मजा ले रही थी, but she made sure to dress in a hoodie to keep herself warm. The actor who was spotted out and about in the city paired the hoodie with a pair of shorts and had her hair neatly tied up in a bun. लेकिन fans who saw the diva couldn't help but wonder कि ये hoodie कुछ जानी पहचानी सी लग रही थी. Turns out, सबका शक सही निकला and the hoodie looked familiar because Katrina's rumored beau, Vicky Kaushal, has an identical hoodie which she has been spotted wearing as well. Vicky had in fact even shared a post on social media earlier this year while promoting his film Bhoot, The Haunted Ship. अब ये Vicky की hoodie है जो उसने अपनी girlfriend को दी है या फिर the couple buys hoodies in jodis to declare their bond is something that we are all wondering. इससे पहले भी नेटिजन्स ने विकी और कटरीना को सिमिलर लुकिंग या फिर सेम हुडी पहनते हुए देखा था. That was a cream colored hoodie which both the actors were spotted wearing in two separate social media posts, leading to lots of chatter online about Katrina borrowing or twinning in her rumored boyfriend's hoodie. Vicky and Katrina have not been spotted together for almost a year now, and though Vicky has been making visits to his lady love, the two are yet to make a couple appearance together or confirm their relationship. The duo was seen entering Karan Johar's recent party in separate cars, but it looks like they are using every opportunity to get to spend time together. Rumors of them dating started after the couple was spotted dancing together at a Holi party earlier this year, and Katrina was then spotted at a special screening of Vicky's film. The two have a busy 2021 with Vicky resuming work on his upcoming projects like the Sam Manekshaw biopic and Takht,
and Katrina beginning work on her superheroine project that will see her in a brand new avatar. Hoodie or no hoodie, प्यार छुपाए नहीं छुपता. Here's hoping Vicky and Katrina make things official really soon and we have something exciting to look forward to in 2021.
Ibrahim, come on, let's be funny again.
Not more.
Who's there?
Anna.
Anna the mosquito.
Sara Ali Khan is taking stepping stones to stardom. But it looks like she will soon be joined by her brother Ibrahim, who is nursing Bollywood ambitions as well. Sara Ali Khan comes from a family of movie stars and is in fact the third generation of her family to actually become a working actor. Sara, who made her debut in Simba, was recently seen in the modern-day remake of Coolie Number 1. Now, though she hasn't impressed critics yet with her acting chops, Sara is very popular on social media as a fashionista and for her quirky sense of humor. Now, while she is the first of Saif's kids to venture into the movie business, it looks like she won't be the last. Take a look.
Merry Christmas.
Sara's last two films haven't earned great reviews, but the actor is all set to star in Atrangi Re next that features seasoned actors like Dhanush and Akshay Kumar.
हमारे पास है एक ऐतिहासिक अतिथि presenting शाहजहां. Now, I request you to try to look वहाँ, even though Mr. Kumar यहाँ रहा.
Sara was spotted shooting in Agra recently and shared lots of pictures and videos from outside the Taj Mahal that also featured Akshay dressed like a Mughal emperor. The young actor has a long way to go before she becomes a huge star like her parents or grandmother, Sharmila Tagore. But she does have a few tips in mind for her younger brother Ibrahim Ali Khan, who is also planning to become a movie star. In an interview, Sara has said that she shares a very close bond with her brother, but isn't experienced enough to give him any wisdom yet. The actor said in her interview, "I don't think मेरी औकात आई है अभी तक कि मैं किसी को टिप्स दूं, लेकिन मैं इतना जरूर बोलूंगी कि लाइफ में अलग-अलग चीजों का अनुभव करना बहुत जरूरी है, चाहे वो एजुकेशन, चाहे वो ट्रैवल हो, चाहे वो बातें करना हो या लोगों को ऑब्जर्व करना हो. That is very, very important."
Who's the thickest? Who's most likely to get arrested? Who's the craziest? Who's the most popular?
Sara also added कि अगर उनके भाई को एक्टिंग से रिलेटेड कोई भी एडवाइस या हेल्प चाहिए, he can always turn to their parents, Saif Ali Khan and Amrita Singh.
Salute Santa. Thank you.
Ibrahim and Sara share a close bond and badi behan Sara can't help but feel that her brother will be really lucky to enter the movie business, which according to her is a beautiful world. As a star kid, making his debut might just be an easy feat for Ibrahim, but convincing audiences of your acting skills and actual potential to be a movie star, well, now that's a whole other story. Well, guys, now it's time for a very quick break on the show, but don't go anywhere. We have a lot more on the other side.
Thank you so much. आपका डायलॉग बहुत फेमस हो गया. मैम क्या करूं मैं? Thank you so much. आपका डायलॉग बहुत फेमस हो गया. मैम क्या करूं मैं? मर जाऊं.
Rumored couple Shehnaz Gill and Siddharth Shukla फिर दिखे मुंबई एयरपोर्ट पे as they jetted off for a shoot to Goa.
मैम यहाँ पे हॉलिडे में जा रहे हैं मैम. सर कम ना मेरे से ना रुकिए ना
The couple stopped to pose for pictures for the paparazzi, who were in a jovial mood and proceeded to tease Shehnaz about a video clip of hers that has gone viral recently.
थैंक यू सो मच आपका डायलॉग बहुत फेमस हो गया मैम क्या करूं मैं मर जाऊं अरे नहीं
Shehnaz and Siddharth met while they were both contestants on a reality show hosted by Salman Khan, and the actors have reportedly since then been in a relationship. Though neither of them has confirmed or denied their equation, recently some BTS videos that went viral of the two of them while they were shooting the song Shona Shona seemed to confirm that they were more than just friends and that the rumors that often follow them around might just be true. Siddharth and Shehnaz, or Sig-Naz as they are affectionately called by their fans, are now in Goa to shoot for another video, and their fans can't wait to see them together again. Take a look. After being spotted at Mumbai airport when they flew to Chandigarh together to shoot for Shona Shona, Siddharth and Shehnaz thrilled their fans when they were spotted together again by the paparazzi as they left for another work assignment, this time reportedly in Goa. सुनने में आया है that सिद्धार्थ और उनकी शोना शहनाज एक वैलेंटाइंस डे themed वीडियो शूट करेंगे. Siddharth was also spotted by a fan in Goa as he stepped out in a bright red t-shirt and shorts and paused to click some pictures with the young girl who spotted him exiting from a building. In the meanwhile, Shehnaz decided to surprise her makeup artist Puneet with a cake as she celebrated his birthday. Shehnaz shared a video of herself dancing and cutting his birthday cake, and the actor also shared some selfies of just herself looking pretty in a light pink sweater. This is the third time Siddharth and Shehnaz are working together on a music video, and their popularity as a couple only seems to be growing by the day. Shehnaz was also in the news recently when some lines spoken by her during her stint on the reality show hosted by Salman Khan was converted into a hilarious song by an artist.
थैंक यू सो मच आपका डायलॉग बहुत फेमस हो गया मैम क्या करूं मैं मर जाऊं
The song has been trending on social media, and luckily, she has been a good sport about it, even sharing the memes and videos she likes the most. Here's hoping the couple makes a great third video, and maybe in the new year, this on-screen Shona Shona couple will also make some off-screen declarations of love as well and confirm what we already suspect to be true.
थैंक यू सो मच आपका डायलॉग बहुत फेमस हो गया मैम क्या करूं मैं मर जाऊं अरे नहीं
Well, folks, with that, we come to the end of another episode of Planet Bollywood. I hope you guys enjoyed that and got all the information that you need about your favorite stars. For more information and minute-by-minute updates, don't forget to check out our Zoom Facebook page. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Until then, stay good, stay safe, and ciao.